that did it. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. Like, I don't think I can flip him. This rod's about to snap. There he is. That's a good one. That's a good, God, look at the rod, man. Oh my gosh. Come on, reel for me, baby. That is a freaking stud. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode here on Texas Reeling. I probably look a little weird to you guys. You guys probably aren't used to seeing me without a hat. Anyways, we've got a pretty fun little challenge that I'm going to do today. I'm actually going to Walmart and I'm going to buy the cheapest rod that I can find at Walmart. I'm headed over there right now. I'm taking the kids fishing, but while they're fishing, I'm going to be doing this little challenge. And I want to see how many fish I can catch on this Walmart rod that I'm about to go buy. I did look online and it looks like the cheapest one is about $9. So we're gonna see how it performs. Go out here, have a good time, bring you guys along, and we are going to the mini Bass Pro Pond, so there's a chance that I will probably hook into a giant fish with this $9 rod. You guys stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this video. I'll see you guys out at Walmart and then we'll go out to the water. Grab one of these red eye spinner baits. Oh yeah, money. I'm gonna grab this pack of some soft plastics. Don't know what yet though. I found these freaking fire crawls, guys. I gotta buy these. Definitely gonna be money. There's a little clearance box. See what else we find in this box. I got the yellow tags. So see if we can find a couple more cool looking baits. Ooh, look at these lizards. Got some flukes, creature baits. We'll see what else we find. Alright, let's see what this old $10 reel is all about. Just arrived to the pond. We're gonna rig this thing up. This thing actually already comes with fishing line inside of it. Don't know what pound test. It probably has it on here. Let me see. 8-pound line. Holy smokes. 8-pound monofilament line. Don't really know how that's gonna hold up with a big one, but I actually pulled up, guys, and saw like a 3 or 4 pounder right on the edge. So yeah, this is what she looks like. It's not the most fanciest thing, but we're gonna try to make it work today, and we're gonna see how many fish I can catch with this bad boy. I will say they got the colors going on. That thing looks sweet on colors. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 color wise. Let me get it rigged up and then we'll get started, guys. Actually, gonna switch the sides on this handle. Wow, this thing feels like almost like if I got it from Wish. There he is, guys. There we go. First fish. Let's freaking go. That was so cool. Saw him come up and hit it. First fish on the mini rod. I mean on the $10 rod. Beautiful though. It was cool the way he hit it. Felt a lot bigger with his rod. I can just imagine how a big fish would actually feel. Wow. I don't know how he would handle it. The sun shining right in the water, so I saw when he came up and hit it, which was really, really cool. Oh, I saw him. It was the one about the same size. Came up and hit it. I think I yanked it out of his mouth. Got him. Oh, he came off. How though? How? Dang it. Yep, they definitely like it a little bit better bouncing it up and down. I started doing that. I got 2 bites immediately, just letting it bounce off the bottom. All right, breaking out the old jerk bait on them. See. See if I can start making and shaking something up. Try the Texas rig for a little while. That did it. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. On the $10 rod. Don't come off. Oh. Come on, reel for me, baby. I can flip. Rod's about to snap. Oh, please don't let there be a snake. Let's freaking go. First cast with a jerk bait. That is a freaking stud. Woo! Wow. God, it freaking scared me when it jumped because he looked so good. Well, a $10 rod holds up. Let's freaking go. That's a solid fish for the little rod. Just let her back in the water so she can get back to where she was. Bam! You guys hear that clacking every time I freaking jerk it. Feels like the reel's gonna fall apart. The veil on this thing pops open when I just use it to jerk the bait. When I'm jerking it, the veil pops open. Shoo! Get out of here, snake. Hit him with the pocket change. Got him, guys. Oh, on a crankbait. As soon as I got it in there, I mean, literally, first cast with it too. Absolutely crushed it. Not a giant, but wow. I'm telling you, these fish feel a lot bigger with this little rod. It's crazy. All right. There we go. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh my God, there's like a 2-pounder in front of me cruising. Literally right in my nose. Oh crap. He got it. Got him. Oh, that was so cool because I saw, oh, he came off. I saw him swimming in front of me and I pitched it out in front and ran it right by him and he just couldn't resist it, but I couldn't keep him pinned. Oh man, that would have been cool. You know, we're anchored down.
Anchored down?
2 bricks is holding this entire boat, you know. That's
no,
the
Max. I was gonna say I didn't know how to turn your camera off. It says that the battery is low.
Oh, there he is.
Look, that's a cut of fish.
A good one, another good one. Oh,
I wish I could record one. Maybe I should record one.
I was just jerking it, guys, and bam, another. It's about the same size. Oh. Oh, he's about to come off. Get in here. Get in here. All right. Let's go. Another one on the old jerk bait. Got the family in the boat. Woo! Man, it's actually kind of fun catching them on this rod.
It's alright. The smartest the house.
Woo! There we go. Ah, hooked myself. Jerkbait has been killing it today. Touch him. Good job. Touch him. Sandwich and all. Get that little greenback. Yeah, bass sandwich. Bam. Let's go. I've been catching some pretty good fish today. Cannot lie. There he is. Uh-oh. 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 Watch out. Eddie's back in town. Let's go. Boat flipping with 8-pound test. I ain't playing around with him today. Carry my tongue piercing. Ow. Hook my hand.
Thank you.
There we go. A little dinker. Oh my gosh. What a freaking blow up. He scared the bejesus out of me. Oh my gosh. Oh, he came off right there. Woo! I was actually just standing there and I turned around to look at Max and I just heard it. Wow, that scared me. That was cool though. There he is. That's a good one. That's a good, God, look at the rod, man. Oh my gosh. That is bigger than my first. Oh my gosh. Don't jump. Oh man. Don't come off. That is that's bigger than my other one.
Whoa.
Oh. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Oh, Max said, huh? You interested in this fish, huh? Wow, that's a good fish.
Wait, Mama.
Let's go. Well, everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I did this $9.98 cheapest Walmart fishing rod challenge and it absolutely crushed it. I had a great time doing it. It was actually really fun catching those bigger fish on a really light 5/6 light rod. It was a blast. If you guys like seeing these type of challenges, make sure you let me know down in the comments so I can keep doing these challenges and I will keep them coming all summer. Maybe I kind of want to do some top water challenges here in the future, so I'll probably have that coming pretty soon. So you guys stay tuned for all of that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and most importantly, don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie and I'm out. Peace.